Recent global conflicts and terrorism, both overseas and domestic, provide clear examples of how lethal armed drones have become. SpotterRF is the world's first advanced CSR, or Compact Surveillance Radar. DataRemote is an authorized dealer for the SpotterRF counter-drone system for perimeter, ground, air, and sea drone detection. SpotterRF offers the revolutionary 3D CUAS counter-drone radar, which provides domed coverage for your high-valued assets. If you wish to learn more about this product, contact us here at DataRemote, where moving data over wireless is key.